We're going to make this double coiled S-shaped wire clasp. These double coils here, and then we're going to learn how to attach it to a bracelet or a necklace. So what you need first of all is jewellery making wire, 22 gauge. This is a 22 gauge jewellery making wire for that part. If you're attaching a chain, you'll need some jewellery making chain, and also you'll need jump rings. You'll need 2 jump rings, one bigger one and one larger one. That's if you're attaching it to this clasp, or maybe you're going to just make the clasp on its own. It's an S-shaped clasp, but it's a bit more fancy with the coils here. So what else you will need is a ruler with inches on it, or centimetres. You'll need flush cutters. You'll need bell pliers. You need round nose pliers and flat nose or chain nose pliers. I usually just have both of them out. So what you're going to do start by is picking up your wire and your ruler, and you're going to cut 6 inches. Which I've got the inches there. Yeah, going to cut, straighten out the wire a bit. I'm going to cut 6 inches using your flush cutters. So that is 6 inches here. Keep my finger here. Pick up my flush cutters using the back of it, and just mind your fingers and cut. So you have 6-inch wire in your hand. So the next thing you're going to do is pick up your ruler again and go in about 2 inches from there. Put down your ruler, pick up your round nose pliers. I'm going to use, I got a little mark here, that's the size of the hoop I like, with my little faded Tipex is. But you can just kind of use what bit of bit you want really, but just depends how big you want the hole to be. So just the middle I think is the best. And then just go right there, and then bring the wire around like that, and take the wire off. Pick up your flat nose pliers, hold the end, and bring the short, we're going to wrap it round, so bring the short bit of wire, clamp it, and start to curve it, twirl it around. Now when you twirl it around, I'm going to twirl it around about 6 times. Slowly keep the, oops, so you're wrapping it around, you're going to keep the coils close to each other. So I've done like 3 so far. Let me clamp the head, right? Wrap again, slowly wrap again, keeping them the wraps close to each other, and slowly don't have any gaps, just slowly wrap round about 6 times. What have I done there? Yeah, about 6 or 7 or 8, it's fine. I've done 8. So then you pick up your round nose pliers, because this hoop has gone a bit wonky, so you want it centered in the middle. So I'll go in and I'll slowly bring it so that the hoop is straight at the top, not lopsided. I'll bring it in and I kind of slowly move it across like that. So the hoop here and these twirls here look like a rope. Make sure this is nice and round and central here. And then we don't want this tail anymore. So we're going to pick up our flush cutters using that flat end there. We're going to go next to it and we're going to cut it. Be careful about this bit because it can fly. So I put my hand here and I cut it off. So it should look like that. I'm going to cut this little bit off that's there. There's a little bit there, I'll cut it. And also I'll pick up my chain nose pliers and tuck it in. Sometimes the little tail's a bit hard, so I'll just slowly press it in. Kind of press it in. So it should look like this. So it should look like this. Let me put my hand. Yeah, with the hoops, the hoop at the top and these wrapped around here. Then you're going to pick up your ruler again and measure from the curls, from the twirls, you're going to measure 1 inch, like that. Then where my thumb is, you're going to bend it. You're going to bend it like that. It should look like that. I'm going to pick up my either your flat nose pliers, or you can use your chain nose pliers. I'm going to bring it together like that. Hold it and squeeze it together. I'm going to press it all together. So you press it together like that. Like that. And then when you get down to where get them to where the loops are, we are going to bend it like that. Try not make a gap. Yeah. And where we are, we're going to bend it like that. And we're going to curl again, slowly. I'm going to curl again, but it's going to be slow. And close to each other. Chain nose pliers to wrap around slowly, or your hand maybe, and wrap around slowly. Mind your fingers, it's a bit sharp. Wrap around slowly. Bring it up. Then it should look something like this. And then I'm going to pick up my chain nose pliers and bend it upwards to make a little lip at the top. Then I'm going to pick up my bail pliers. I think I'm going to use it depends how big that you want the curved the middle to be. I think it's that one. So I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to just check. Go underneath. Where I'm going to sit it where the top of where the twirls are, and I'm going to bring it down like that. See if I like that size. Yes, I like that. Or maybe I'll try it with the bigger one. See if I like how it looks with that one. Yes, I'm using this one. What one was it? Yes, it's the middle one here. I think I like it that size, but it depends. You can have it what size you want. And I'm going to bring this bit forward. I think I'll bring this lip up a little bit more. So there you are. There you are, you got your wrap loop, a fancy wrap loop. Now, if you want to attach it to a bit of chain, you get your jewellery making chain, you cut the chain. You cut the chain whatever size you want. I'm just going to cut a bit off. Using my cutters, the flat side, I'm going to cut it. So I've cut a bit of chain. And I'm going to get the smaller of the jump ring. The smaller jump ring, because they open. Both sides. The jump ring, and I'm going to go across, so I'm going to open it like that. You can see like that. Open it, and then I'm going to put it on the chain, one side of the chain, and then this other side. And to close it, bring it together and close it like that. And on the other side, I'm going to pick up the larger jump ring. Larger jump ring. I'm going to open it again. I think I'll just use my other hand and just bring it across. Oh no, it's too... Bring the other, chain those pliers, grip it and open it. And then I'm going to thread it on the other side of the chain. Thread it on like that. Close it once again. Close it and bring it together. Like that. So when you do it up, you just kind of move it in a bit. Do it up, look like that. Easy to open and close. Like do up a necklace and then so it's easy to open and do up. And you just squeeze it in like that. So easy to put on. This will just hang at the back. So there you are. So there they both are. Easier for a necklace. Easy to take off and put on. Just go underneath like that. And they look pretty as well. So if you've got any comments or any questions, please put them down below. If you like the video, please press the like button, which is the notification bell, so that you know when I've made another video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I put my social medias down if you want to follow me, see my latest projects. And also if you want to look at my Etsy UK shop, I'll link it down below as well. And also I've linked down some other wire jewellery that you can make.